It's a barn burner, the best and worst life insurance.
Yeah, Brian, I am excited about this because one of the things that, it's a necessary evil. It's something that no one gets excited about talking about. Nobody really gets super jazzed about it, but it is so important when it comes to your financial life is making sure that you have the appropriate coverage in place, that you have the appropriate insured interests that are actually insured. And one of those for most Americans is life insurance.
Well, yeah, you're trying to figure out, is this a scam? Is this something that I must have? And I'm going to tell you, you need to tune in because this is one of those subjects I'm like, are people going to watch it? But if you have a spouse, if you have children, you need to hear because we're going to spill the tea on all the things you need to know about life insurance.
So one of the big questions we get is, okay, why do we talk about life insurance? Why is it so important? And why does it have such a bad rap? And one of the reasons why it has such a bad rap is because it is one of the most aggressively sold and profitable insurance products out there. So there are a lot of people that have a motivation to maybe recommend products that are not in your best interest. So what we want to do is break down for you, okay, why do I need it? What are the different types? And how do I approach making that decision? So Brian, very first question right off the bat is, why do we need life insurance? Why is it something that we even talk about putting in place?
Well, first we need to give some context on something because I want to go ahead and clear the air. Bo, in a former life, you actually sold some life insurance.
I did, yep, 100 years ago.
I worked for a firm that did life insurance, but in the present form, we are fiduciary financial advisors. We do not sell life insurance. And I think it's an important thing to kind of give that background so there is some knowledge there, but our firm does not benefit from actually selling products. So that's why I think it gives some context that could be very helpful, especially on such an important question like why life insurance.
Yeah, so let's talk about what can it do? What are the reasons people get life insurance? Well, it's because mainly at the main surface of it, if there are people that are depending on you for their well-being, for their livelihood, then we would argue there is an insurable need on your life. If you are no longer here to provide, the insurance policy in place is supposed to step in and provide for your loved ones. And the number one thing that we most often think about is if I can't go out to work and create an income to pay the bills, then this life insurance policy will pay out to replace the income that I was earning for those folks that are depending on that income.
That's why I said at the beginning, if you have a spouse, if you have children, you need to pay attention.